ChatGPT is defined as a generative language model. However, in practice it is understood as an artificial intelligence chat that has been trained and designed to hold natural conversations. ChatGPT belongs to the research company OpenAI, founded in San Francisco in 2015 by Sam Altman, Elon Musk, Greg Brockman, Ilya Sutskever and Wojciech Zaremba. But what are the applications of ChatGPT? Some of the applications for which you can use ChatGPT, besides having a good time asking questions, are discussed below. With GPT you can generate coherent and well-written texts in a wide range of styles, topics and languages. In addition, news summaries, product descriptions or stories can be generated. Thanks to this chat, problems can be analyzed and solutions or answers to questions can be generated. GPT can be used to generate appropriate and consistent responses for a chatbot in a wide range of contexts. It can be used to generate attractive posts and messages for social networks. With GPT you can generate reports, emails and other content for productivity applications. Thanks to ChatGPT, large data sets can be analyzed and valuable information can be extracted from them. As its acronym indicates, Generative Pre-training Transformer, ChatGPT is a generative language model based on the Transformer architecture. These models are capable of processing large amounts of text and learning to perform natural language processing tasks very effectively. The GPT-3 model, in particular, is 175 billion parameters in size, making it the largest language model ever trained. To work, GPT needs to be trained on a large amount of text. For example, the GPT-3 model was trained on a text set that included over 8 million documents and over 10 billion words. From this text, the model learns to perform natural language processing tasks and generate coherent, well-written text. Once the model is well trained, GPT can be used to perform a wide range of tasks, as we have seen in the previous section. Reinforcement learning, based on human feedback, was used for training. Ultimately, by supervised fine-tuning, the human AI trainers provided conversations in which they represented both the user and the AI assistant. In addition, the coaches were provided with written suggestions to help them write their proposals. So, they mixed this new dataset with the InstructGPT dataset that was transformed into a dialogue format. But how did they create the reward model for reinforcement learning? The first thing that was needed was to collect comparison data. This consisted of 2 or more model responses, ranked by quality. So, in order to collect the data, they took some conversations that the trainers had had with ChatGPT and randomly selected them. In this way they tested various endings for the coaches to rank. For this reason, these reward models could be adjusted using proximal policy optimization. Also, the trainings were carried out on a Microsoft Azure platform on a supercomputer. In conclusion, to use GPT in a chat, the model is provided with an input in the form of text. This input can be in the form of a question or a context sentence. And, from this input, GPT generates an appropriate and coherent response. In fact, this response can be used in a chatbot or any other application where it is necessary to generate a text from a given input.